Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Yoni's Kitchen. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more food recipes where we turn your kitchen into a global food adventure. Today, we're making one of the most iconic street foods in the world, shawarma. Imagine tender, juicy meat, wrapped in warm pita, and loaded with fresh veggies and creamy sauces. Sounds amazing, right? Well, guess what? You can make it at home, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 for the marinade, chicken thighs or beef or lamb, garlic, yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, paprika, cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. 2 for the wrap, pita bread, fresh veggies like lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and pickles. 3 for the sauce, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and a touch of yogurt. Got everything? Awesome! Let's make that marinade. Shawarma is all about the marinade. It's what gives the meat that incredible flavor. So, grab a bowl, and let's mix our spices, paprika, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and a pinch of cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon. Trust me, it's the secret weapon. Then, add minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and yogurt. Mix it all together until it's smooth and fragrant. Now, add your chicken thighs to the marinade and make sure every piece is fully coated. Cover it, pop it in the fridge, and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or overnight if you're patient. The longer, the better. Once your meat is perfectly marinated, it's time to cook. You can grill it, pan fry it, or even bake it. I'm using a skillet today to get that crispy, caramelized edge. Cook it until it's golden brown and juicy. While the meat is resting, let's make the tahini sauce. It's super simple, just tahini paste, minced garlic, lemon juice, and a splash of water to thin it out. Mix it until it's smooth and creamy. You can add a little yogurt for extra tang if you like. This sauce is the perfect complement to the spiced meat. It's creamy, tangy, and absolutely delicious. Now, the fun part, assembling your shawarma. Warm up your pita bread, then layer on the juicy meat, fresh veggies, and a generous drizzle of tahini sauce. Don't be shy with the toppings. This is your masterpiece. Roll it up tightly, tuck in the ends, and there you have it, your very own homemade shawarma. Crispy, tender, and packed with flavor. This is seriously better than takeout. And the best part? You made it yourself. Thanks for joining me today, foodies. If you loved this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Yoni's Kitchen for more delicious adventures, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Now, go make some shawarma and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!